Hi, my name is Theodora of Dora's Door Designs, and I am back making a classic bow. I am using a sunflower and plaid ribbon. It is 2.5 inches wide, and my loops are starting out at 6 inches. I am making 2 loops on each side with 10-inch tails. My next layer is also 2.5 inches, and the loops are going to be slightly smaller. This time, however, I'm only making 1 loop on each side along with 10-inch tails. The third layer, I'm using the window pane ribbon, 10-inch tails, slightly smaller loops, 1 on each side. This layer will be a 1.5-inch ribbon with slightly smaller tails, probably about 8.5, and of course the loops are slightly smaller as well, only 1 on each side. This is the final loop row, and it's only going to be a center loop, maybe about 2 inches wide. And there we will finish it off with a zip tie and then a pipe cleaner. A pipe cleaner is to be used for attaching it to a wreath, a mantelpiece, or a lantern, or even a mailbox. The the zip tie cinches it closed and makes it secure. Now we'll do my favorite thing, fluffing. Spreading out each loop and each layer till it's just right. Fluffing, and more fluffing. Sometimes it takes more fluffing than others, but I think I overdo it sometimes. It just has to be just so. Looking pretty good. Sorry, you can't really see it as well as I would like. Now I'm going to do the dovetails, cutting at a 90-degree angle from the fold. Makes a nice clean cut. If you want, you don't have to do the dovetails. You can just do them at an angle. Again, the window pane I cut straight across because it will fray. Hope you like it.